Hi there, students. To emanate, a verb, and emanation, a noun. Okay, to emanate is just a posh, complicated word for to come out of. Yeah, to come from a source. So light emanated from a light bulb in the ceiling. Music emanated from inside the pub. Okay, so to come out of. Laughter emanated from the room next door. Okay, so to come out of, to come from. So very often they also use it metaphorically with the idea of expressing a quality or a feeling through the way you look or behave, but without speaking. His face and body language emanated depression. Yeah? Okay, so to emanate, to express something, to emit. She seems to emanate an air of serenity. Okay, the flower was emanating a sweet, sweet, sweet smell. His poetry, his talent emanates from the very depths of his soul. He seemed to emanate sympathy for those around him, to give out, to radiate, to emit, to exude, yeah, to send forth, to send out. The aroma of smoke emanated, of wood smoke emanated from the burning fire. Notice, particularly with the preposition from, to emanate from, to come out from, yeah. The problem emanated from a lack of understanding. So it's just a way of saying to come out from, to give out, to send out. So notice it can work both ways. A smell was emanating from the room emanated a smell, so it can go in both directions, the meaning. Okay, so to emanate, how formal is this word emanate? This sounds to me very literary. I'm not sure I would use it in an informal conversation. Maybe just, let's give it a 6.5 informality, but very literary and posh sounding. To come out from, to give off, something like that. And notice to emanate as well is a regular verb. The stench of rotten fish emanated from the sewers. This problem has emanated from previous problems that were already existing. Okay, so to come out of, to give out, particularly to give out an impression. So his smile emanated radiant happiness throughout the room. Okay, so either to physically come from something or to metaphorically come from something. Yeah, so the light bulb, the light emanated from a light bulb. He emanated an air of nervousness and unhappiness. Criticism is constantly emanating from his opponents. Good smells are emanating from the kitchen. Okay, now what about origin? Well, it comes from Latin again, emanare, meaning to flow out of, to arise, produced from. Okay, meaning out of, and minare, to flow, so to flow out of. Okay, so to emanate, to come out of. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To emanate, emanations. The emanations came out from what was emanating the thing?